Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCommerce for e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing BigCommerce for your e-commerce store, visit the BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Select your business type from the options provided. Fill in the required information about your store, including your business name and address. Once you've completed the form, click on Create Your Store. BigCommerce will then set up your store and direct you to your dashboard. To customize your store, click on the Store Design tab. Explore the available themes and choose one that fits your brand. You can preview each theme before making your selection. After choosing a theme, click on Apply to activate it. Next, navigate to the Products tab to start adding items for sale. Click on Add a Product and fill in the product details, including name, description, and price. Upload any images of the product by clicking the Upload button. Once you have finished adding details, click on Save to store your product information. Now, head to the Settings tab to configure important settings for your store. Adjust your shipping and payment options according to your business needs. Be sure to set up taxes if applicable based on your location. To link your domain, go to the Domains section and follow the prompts to connect or purchase one. After setting up your domain, navigate back to your dashboard. You can view analytics and reports to track your store's performance. Finally, preview your store by clicking on the View Store option to see how it looks live. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to launch your BigCommerce store. Start promoting your store to attract customers and drive sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.